Today I'm going to show you how we can use Google Chrome extension on our Android mobile. Welcome back to our Learn in a Minute video series where we can learn about computer, internet, applications and much more in just a minute. So to use Google Chrome extensions on our Android mobile, just go to the Google Play Store and download this Yandex browser. This application link is in the description box down below. So open this Yandex application and from here search for Chrome Web Store. Now click on this very first link. Now search for your extension which you want to use. I am searching here for Grammarly. Now select your extension and just click on Add to Chrome. Now click on Add Extension. Here it is, your extension is installed. Guys, I have also installed vidIQ for my YouTube videos. So guys, this is how we can install and use Google Chrome extensions on our Android mobile. So that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video and I'll see you on my next one.